If you owe money to the IRS, the final phase of IRS negotiations is called IRS monitoring. So we have already talked about phase one, which is research, phase two, which is compliance, phase three, which is the actual tax resolution and negotiation with the IRS. But phase four is extremely important as well. If you enter into any type of agreement with the IRS, you're going to have to stay in compliance for the next 5 years. And one of the major things that happen, I've seen it many times, and even with some of my existing taxpayers, is they'll say, Bert, don't worry, I'll take care of it. And then a year, 2 years later, they're coming back into our office because of the fact that they didn't file their taxes and the IRS went ahead and canceled their installment agreement or their offer in compromise. And now they're going to be adding all of those penalties and interest back to day one. So if there's something that is very critical for each and every one of you is to manage IRS monitoring. And that's what we do at Gables on behalf of all the taxpayers that we deal with and that we negotiate agreements with the IRS. At the end of the day, IRS monitoring is for us on a weekly basis. We're going to be downloading all of your tax transcripts every single week. If we see anything that we feel may be a critical issue for you, we're going to notify you right away. Many a times, if we get a notice that the IRS is going to be doing an audit, we actually will notify you up to 6 months before the IRS will actually send you a letter requesting an audit or asking for additional information. So that's going to give you a tremendous amount of peace of mind. We will monitor all the payments that you're making through your IRS negotiations because they get reported on your transcripts. So if you miss a payment or two, we would immediately contact you and have you become compliant and pay up to the IRS, because what you don't want to do is reach a viable settlement for you and your business and your family with the IRS, and all of a sudden all of that is taken away, and then all the penalties and interest that you may have saved are going to be added back on. So if you have any additional questions regarding IRS tax resolution, even tax preparation or tax planning, feel free to reach out. Our telephone number is area code 888 IRS 0108. Again, 888 IRS 0108. My name is Bert, B-E-R-T, Salazar, S-A-L-A-Z-A-R, and you can also visit our website, which is www.gablestpg.com. Thank you and have a great day.